friends, here is a quick tutorial on Google Classroom. The icon for Google Classroom looks like this. It looks like a little person in a green chalkboard. And that will open up into your dashboard. On this, we'll have whatever classes your teachers have invited you to join. I'm going to click on one to open it up to show you kind of what it looks like. The homepage for that comes up in the stream. So you'll see a couple things in this particular stream. An assignment here called Leprechaun Writing. And under here it says upcoming, which also is the same thing. It tells you that something is due. And I can enter that assignment by clicking on it here or here. Here is the assignment that my teacher sent me. It is a template that I will work in. Here it was to create a leprechaun. Like I can copy his head and put it over here. Oops. There we go. Okay. And when I'm done with that, I can just close that and turn it in. And that will go to my teacher. And if I go back to the name of the class, it shows me upcoming, woohoo, no work due soon. So this is your to-do list for what is happening in your class. This other announcement that's here is a Zoom link. You can see there's a comment from another student saying, I went to Zoom and didn't let me in. And that is because Zoom will not let you in if the teacher has not already started the meeting. So when you get a Zoom link in here, similar to if you get one in Seesaw, you can just click on it. It'll launch the meeting. It opens another tab for you. If your teacher's not already there, it will make you wait until your teacher starts the meeting. Back in my classroom, you can also find, let's see, classwork. These are things that are things to work on. You can connect to your Google Calendar, which if there's something due, it will give you a note your teacher can put on your Zoom link on here. So you could click on it so you know the correct time to join. And then the class drive folder goes to your Google Drive. And within Classroom, this folder called Classroom will be a folder for this particular class. And all your assignments for this class will be in there. I go back a level. These are my different classes and my assignments for those will be in there.